Want to know how to make Cursor AI add error handling automatically? Well, no worries. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add error handling without writing a single line of code, but by just simply prompting it. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. And we have also created a video on how to get help with Cursor AI and more of it. So make sure to watch that. So I have this random code writer with me, or C# code. Now, since we want to add an error handling line, so you can just simply select Ctrl plus A and then select Ctrl plus K. So once that is done, here you can see quick selection. So in order to add it, just simply type in add try catch to the code and then select enter. And once that is done, it should add an error catching, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So you can just simply select code and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.